younger one. So first, congratulations to the Rotary Club of Mapsa and Rotrek and all those who have been involved here for having started this COVID center, vaccination center here. It's a need of an hour. We need to see that a maximum people have been vaccinated. And thanks to the great warriors like doctors and the nursing staff and everybody who are connected today to make people aware and vaccinate them. Thank you, doctor, for all your support. And we request you, those who have come here to vaccinate themselves today, please go home and tell your neighbors, friends that they have to log in and get yourself vaccinated, because that only can be a shield between the COVID and basically the infection and yourself. So thank you, my dear friends in Rotary and Rotrek. Keep the good work going, and all those who have been supporting you all. God bless you. Thank you, Joshua, for all your support for this work, to make this possible. Thank you once again.
Anand Puriye, the entire team of the health services, the entire team of Rotary and Rotrack, and all the people that are taking the vaccine today for the first batch. I would like to thank everybody for all their support and coordination for this center. We also have 2 more centers that are going to be launched within this coming days, but we decided to start with the first center that was ready here first, at Saraswat Vidyalaya. And with this I would like to launch today's event. Thank you.